Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to share about run length encoding method. This method is a simple form of lossless data compression. It works by identifying and storing sequences of repeated data values as a single value and account, rather than storing each occurrence individually. So this technique is particularly effective for data that contains many such runs, like simple graphic images or text with repeated characters. Some of you are not quite clear about this method, so I'd like to discuss it here. Now, first of all, we need to identify the sequences of repeated data values. For example, let me give you suppose a given data is 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. For example, like this. Okay. Now, we first need to determine how many bits we need to use to represent a run or a group of the same bits in the data. Suppose, as in our assignment, we will use 3 bits to represent the length of a group or number of bits in a group. With 3 bits, we can represent at most 8 values. That is 0, 0, 0, which is 1, which is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1, right? 8 values. In decimal, they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 3 bits cannot represent bigger number, right? So it cannot represent more than 7 bits in a group or in a run. Now, with 3 bits, we represent the groups or runs in the given data. So for the given data, the first group has only one. That is 1, 1. The second group has 3 zeros, and the third has 3 ones. And the fourth group has how many zeros? 9. 9. Sorry. 9 zeros. And the next group has 2 ones. And the next has 3 zeros. And the last group has 9 ones, right? So 9, 1. How to represent them? Using 3 bits for the group, we know that we can represent up to at most 7 bits in a group. So here, the line 0, we have to divide it into 2 groups, into 2 rounds, right? So the 9 zeros can be divided into 9 zeros will become 7 zeros and 2 zeros, right? So the total is still 9 zeros. And also there is line ones. For line ones, we divide it into 7 ones and 2 ones. You may say, why not divide into other kind of two groups? For example, 5 zeros and 4 zeros for the 9 zeros. That means you want to divide it into 5 zeros and 4 zeros. Is that okay? Sure, that's okay. Because you can also use 3 bits RLE to represent it. However, we always try to make a full group, that is 7 bits in a group first. Okay, that is more efficient. So we will adopt the method divide 9 zeros to be 7 zeros and 2 zeros. So now the given data will become what? 1 ones, 3 zeros, 3 ones, 7 zeros, 2 zeros. Okay, and then 2 1, 3 zeros. And then the last will become 7 ones and 2 ones, right? So for this division, now we can use RLE to represent it, right? For 1 ones, we know that 1 is a bit of the group. 1 ones, 1 ones, 1 1, here 1 should be 0 0 1, as we see that with 3 bits, 1 is this, right? And then 3 zeros, the bit is 0, and we need to have 3. 3 is 0 1 1, so 0 1 1. And then 3 ones, bit is 1, and the value is 0 1 1. And then 7 zeros, the bit is 0, and the number of bit is 7, that is 1 1 1. And then 2 zeros, the bit is 0, and the number of bit is 0 1 0, that is 2. And then 2 1, so the bit is 1, and number of 2, 0 1 0. 3 zeros, bit is 0, and then 3, 0 1 1. 7 ones, the bit is 1, and number is 7 1 1 1. And 2 ones, bit is 1, and the number of bit is 2, 0 1 0, right? So what is the compression? We can see that this, how many bits this given data has? The given data has 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit, and here's 6 bit. So it has 1, 2, 3, 24 plus 6 is it has 30 bits, right? And how many bits the RLE code has? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 36. 36 bits. So the compression ratio will be 36. The resulting bits divided by 30. And it is how much? 1.2. 1.2 or 120, right? So that means RLE is not good for compressing the given data because it is actually longer than the given data. However, if the given data has more groups of very long string of zeros or ones, then this method can be much better. RLE can be much better. Okay, so this is about RLE in our assignment. I hope this helps you. If you have a further question, please don't hesitate to send me a message or text message. Thank you for watching. Bye.